Oh, hey, good afternoon, good middle of the day, top of the middle of the lunch, beginning of lunch right now. Oh my, I was just showing over my monthly totals for TopStep over here. Getting a little bit of support on the market. We're watching SPY down here in the bottom corner. That's always the one to watch. Market's going bananas, which it currently is. Yeah. let me get this
Weird.
boop,
They're doing
nope.
red carp.
Boop, nope. Boop. There it is. Sound effects very important. Boop. Um, over here, we're trading my Top Step XFA up $667.44 at the moment. Market could put in a bounce here. Watching very, very closely. But there is a mega short sort of unfolding here. You can see how on this fuzz on the face. Yeah, I don't know if I like this at all for the long, guys, especially on a Friday, especially as we're trying to just maintain a green start to the month. This is a nice little EMA cluster right here for support. A lot to like about that. We've bounced from 41 to 60. It's a 20-point bounce so far since we just started streaming. VIX got a rejection, UVXY got a rejection, but they're both over really scary pivots. So, y'all, this is a tough long. It's kind of a pre-market high-ish test. We got like, let's see, we got within 30 cents of pre-market high. I don't trust this bounce, y'all. I don't trust it. I'm gonna be extra cautious because this whole fucking candle right here. Let's switch to the Mac Daddy. Okay, what? Where's NQ? Oh, it's 500 points up. Yeah, that's the day right there. Hope you weren't short in the morning. I did not trade the morning. I sat out. I got short from here to here. And then I got long from here to here and a little bit from here to here. There's interesting, like, multiple pumps have happened in the daytime. This is like, like we're on the 2-minute chart and we're going up. This is 60 to 90. This is a 35-point candle. This was the interesting one. This happened at precisely 11:50 in the AM. Yeah, that was an 82-point dropperoo, courtesy of our dear leader talking about more fucking tariffs, because that's exactly what the world wants to hear right now. Is, hey, we're doing the tariffs again. Roll it back. Run it back on the tariffs. The Iran war is reaching day 60. Today is day 60 of the war. Noteworthy because theoretically this is when Congress is supposed to step up and do something. So we know we're in like a volatile sketch town environment. Now, this dotted line is important. It is half gap, and I already know what the number is because it's really easy to remember. It is 36.33. Did I get that right? It is 36.25. I was trying to show off, but okay, 36. I knew I was close. 36.25. Above the half gap, everybody. Now, even more importantly, hedge pressure, 35.75. Where's all my lines on? Okay, 37, 37. Oh, this is supposed to be the half gap. Whatever. 36.25. No. See the VIX rejection. That's why we're pushing up right now. Off of what was support, but I say sus support. That's my feeling. Sus because of this VIX chart right here. Okay, now you can see the VIX, UVXY, above all of these really important pivots. And there's one more that we need to be aware of on the chart, 35.75. Kirk. My lines are a little self-conscious about my lines. Look at that bounce right there off of hedge pressure. Now, this all happened. This crush, market pump. Boom. The high of the day. Now, we did a little news dance over here that the VIX did not really respond to. Interesting, just pointing that out. Oil over here on the 5. Let's move everybody to the 5 so we can just be lined up here for timing purposes and candle shapes and sizes. 5-minute. See, it looks to me like the VIX is trying to do a thing. Doing a thing that it has not done in quite a while. We've been in this big old downtrend from like 39 all the way to 35.75. This looks like it might have a little bit of a retrace back to the north side, especially if it continues to hold that 36.40. Now, we currently are losing 36.40, which is going to pop the market. But 36.25 to be tested below. So we're going to just watch that level. Now, over here on oil. Notice we've been selling off oil since last night. That is a $6 dump. We've regained $1. Clearly the 100 level on oil, psychological level, very important. Okay, where were we? XFA? No. Switching to prop firm mode, eval mode. Oh yeah, I got a TPT. All right, we reset the TPT yesterday. All right, let's get that guy popping. Flip this. Remember, we tried to YOLO short yesterday and got squeezed. Ended up with $35 in profit on the new one. Okay, this is a much better situation than trading on a funded account today, guys. Clearly, we are in like news-driven. Oil still high. VIX doing something. Oh, this is the chart I wanted you guys to see. Tell me to get long when this shit's going on. Tell me to like confidently stay long when all of a sudden it's on the 5-minute. Show me the 2-minute. This is a full bar on the 2. Look at that. Look at that 1-minute candle on the VIX from pivot to pivot and then some. That was a $1 move on the VIX up and down. That was the 100 points on NASDAQ. Now it immediately rejected and wicked, but still, yikes. Hard to be long when that's going on. Like VIX was chilling all day, 10 a.m. This is the high of the day, and the VIX just started back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, and now it's still kind of up. Still kind of up, you guys. It bounced. So that's what I'm watching on the VIX chart. Elsewhere, you don't need to concern yourself with what's going on off screen. It's a rule. Market is strong up here, guys. Very strong. We are hitting an EMA. Purple one is the 8 EMA. Here on the 5-minute, that's going to have some strength to it. 5-minute 8. We are below both the 8 and the 20 over here on the 2-minute, so this could be the rejection spot. Let's see. Oh, I just realized how fucking quiet it is. Sorry, y'all. Ugh. My bad, my bad, my bad. Yeah. Let's fucking chop it up, guys. You guys hearing this? Yes. Yes. This is shorting music, but I'm not shorting all-time highs. This is just for context. Just for context. The all-time high. Double topped off of a weird newsy thing. Are we gonna long it? Are we gonna short it? I can't confidently say either one. I'm gonna sit it. I'm gonna sit out. I'm gonna keep my money, keep profit. I'll fuck around with some evals. I'm not scared of trading. But look, this doesn't look bullish to me at all-time highs. I do like that VIX went down to like 1650. Where's our low? 1645 on the low on the VIX. I'm gonna put a marker on that low. Oh, that was definitely a bouncy spot. 1647-ish on the VIX. Excuse me. Oil still doing something over here. Holding between this 90.50, 99.50. I'm gonna just bump off. You know what? Don't borrow this one. I don't need you anymore. That's the one. That's the one. 98 and 99.50. We got a little below it. That's interesting. Normally it stays right to the penny, but you know, we're in an imprecise world. 52, 59, 50. Wow. Okay, this music is every time I'm like, fuck yeah, let's do metal, and then I'm like, ow! Oh yeah, that's the receipt for my new MyFundedFutures Pro eval. Very excited to start a pro. I've had no success whatsoever on the pro accounts. I've taken payouts from pretty much every other account type that they have. Pro has eluded me thus far. TPT is my primary. It's my primary curse I'm trying to break. Have taken about 10K in payouts, but immediately just lost them. The funny thing about TPT, and they do this on purpose, is they pay you out into your wallet, which is online. It's on their site, and you just flip that into like, oh, you blew your account. Just, hey, here's $1,500. Just $1,500. The 10K goes real fast. When you're on tilt, that is. That was that fateful day in October. Last October when we all got fucking liquidated. That's how I spent my liquidation. 10/10, October the 10th, 2025. Getting wrecked on my TPT where I had so much profit. Wrecked on all of them. Tilted the fuck out. All right, man, we got a situation. Baby candles happening here, guys. I don't know if any of this is really actionable. Here we are on the 2. We are getting above this EMA, which is fun, but look, we got sellers took us all the way on a walk. We tried to come back halfway of that news candle, couldn't hold it almost the whole way up to 900. 900, definitely the resistance level in here. So even though we're holding the EMAs, we only got 28 points of upside, which is, $50 on a micro. How many points to the downside do we have from all-time highs? A fucking lot, 27,950-ish from the fucking top. 900 is where the resistance is. That theoretically presents a juicier short compared to the amount of upside we can have. Although, if we break out and break above the 27,900, we can hit 28,000. Who knows? All these things are possible. The fact of the matter is, I don't have a clear read either way. Oil's holding the 101 level. VIX is holding above pivots. We might be testing it, which is kind of fun. But the market doesn't seem to even be listening to those indicators, to be totally honest. Like, this is kind of, everything is moving in a little bit of a disjointed way. We do have this first day of the month. I put it in the fucking title. I didn't even talk about it. Celebrating. Cheers. Green April, everybody. $7,500 in a month. That's fun. Now, not all of that is payout. Some of that's still locked up in TopStep. So, just for transparency, here is my payouts. So, 2,142 yesterday, 2,600 on Tuesday. It's been a good week. That's it's approximately 4,500. Fuck, now I got to do the actual math. Okay, next heading the pivot. Let's watch what happens. If it gets a bounce, we're gonna dump. Oh, not financial advice. Okay, now, do you want to know why it's not financial advice? I'm about to show you. Not financial advice because I gotta do $4,712 in payouts. $4,712 in payouts last week. Ayo! Look out for the dump! Watch out for the dump, everybody. We're dumping. I told you that RR is to the downside. Why would you want to be long 40 points from the high when the VIX is above pivot and oil's holding support? Some fucking shenanigans are afoot. You got to be careful out there, guys. It's on a Friday. Don't fuck up your weekend. I'm not even taking this on the fucking eval. Fuck that shit. No way. You come down in like 27,700s and we'll talk. This 800 and 900 level is fraught with risk. I don't know if I want it. We come back down and maybe test the bottom of that wick, maybe at 800-ish, 820s. We didn't even make it there that time. That was another flush, but it didn't flush nearly as hard. Interestingly, on this chart, I got equal lows. Trump, quote, Iran wants to make a deal, but I am not satisfied. Headlines whipping us all over the fucking place. Watch oil here. If oil starts to come down, I will jump in long. So far, oil liked, didn't like. VIX. If that candle turns red and we start to push above these 2-minute EMAs, I will chase it to the north side on an eval. But come on! Come on, oil at 102! I don't like it. Now, I also don't like a short, because who knows what the fuck is going to happen next? I would expect. So, oh, by the way, we're at the bottom of the news candle earlier, which is a Trump tweet about new tariffs in the EU. Thanks for nothing. We have not heard, as far as I know, I should probably get my squawk back on. As far as I know, we have not heard the EU, the European Union, we have not heard their response. Oh boy. Okay, watching the 102 rejection on oil for a potential long entry in the market. The interesting thing about these lines over here, shout out to Rips, this is the open. We are above the open on oil. Not bullish market. VIX is at 17. Now this is interesting. This is a 17 tap on the VIX Prime. That's slowly filling up this insane wick that it put in earlier, all the way up to 1750. Now, we get to the top of that wick, and I'm going to be paying attention. Okay, 101.93, 96, 97 on the oil. VIX pushing above pivots. Monthly open, aka quarterly open, monthly open. All the same, man. It's all the same. I guess metal was the right choice. Oil 102.18 now. Not a long, not a long, not a long. Now, UVXY with a bit of a double toppy. Interesting. I did get close to the 820s where I did say I wanted to get long. I don't know if I trust it. Definitely a tough long. Definitely a tough long. There goes the 830s. I see the VIX rejection starting to play out. Prepared to go along with 5 micros on the risky biscuit. Maybe a 102.74 rejection on oil. All right, I'm long 5 micros. 27,839. Are we gonna get bagged right off of the fucking jump? Let's see. Oh. My beagle is dreaming. Dreaming about profit. Oh, is he trying to tell me that maybe the trade is not good? Dad, it's scary out here. Oil's above 102. Why are you going long in the market when we're below the EMAs and oil's above 102? I don't think he talks like that. I think he's probably like, Dad, dude. Dad. Why are you long? Why are you long? This is a short. I will say to you, Beagle, you know nothing. Pardon me, the Beagle. You're a good boy, but you know that. Oh my. Maybe the Beagle knows more than me. I want to see the 5-minute play out on the UVXY. Don't give me the green. Now, I guess if I'm giving you the deets on this trade, what I'm looking for is I'm going to take some profits as we hit each of these EMAs above. Like one right there. I'm going to take off 2 right there. I'm going to take off 3 right there because we're fading off of it. I wouldn't even make it to the second one. So the other take profits would be here and then to the top of that candle. I'm just going to get out of here. I don't like it. I don't like it. Listening to my dreaming bugle. This is not a good one. Oh, no. Gotta get above. This is the 8 EMA over here. We gotta jump up to the 20 to test it. Now, if we fail the 20, then it's lights out. 102.50 oil. Glad I got out of my long. Glad I listened to my beagle. He was a smart guy. Genius. If you knew him, you would laugh. He is both not a genius and a little bit of a genius by beagle standards. Probably the smartest beagle that ever lived. Sweet boy. 102.55 oil. Not a rejection at the 50. Oh, no. We're under 102.50. I got long. Risky long. 2 micros. Watching this to turn red. I want this candle to turn red. and this candle to turn red. Let's see if it happens. And I want this to go back up to there, take off one, take off the other one right there. Quick draw, gunslinging on the quick draw. Oh, we didn't quite get to the EMA. Yeah, take one off there. Now, I'm just going to go and put the other one to break even. Now we're at the EMA. That would have been the better take profit. I got a little nervous. See what I said about the red candle? Red candle VIX, red candle oil, green candle market. Yay. Just in the TPT over here, guys. This is nothing serious. Would not take this in a funded. Although the 102.50, 102.74 rejection from oil looks auspicious. It's the prior day high, or prior day open. I don't really play the prior day open. I don't totally know why that's important. Market seems to like it, though. Market likes their rejection. Nope. Stop down. We're up a grand total of $60 on the 2 trades so far. That's 2 green trades on the TPT thus far. 7 micros, all wins. Oh, this music is making me a little bit out of breath, though. No. You can't help but notice that the double top, double bottom, somebody's going to have to win. I hate to say it, but I think we have to draw a wedge, just like yesterday. You guys remember yesterday's wedge? It completely played out. To my surprise, I came back to it. I was like, oh, the wedge. It played out. All right. We're drawing, making drawings on our charts. We like to make the drawings. Making drawings on our charts. We like to make drawings. Let's see what happens. Trend line above, trend line below, that be a wedge. 102.20s on the oil. Now, are we going to break down, grab some EMAs, retest, or are we going to follow the trend to the downside? I'd be willing to take a little bit of a risky long here on one micro. 36.51. Yeah, you know what? I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Now I'll add another one at 69. I'll add another one at 42, and I'll add another one at 700. Sorry, 800. No, that's 700. Okay, there's a lot of points between here and there. I'll stop. If you've been paying attention, my ever optimistic martingale strategy mostly works. It's funny that prop firms used to ban martingaling. Now they encourage it because it's actually not that successful. All right, I added. Watching this low, the wick, the bottom of that wick. We're already breaking down out of the wedge. I had the wedge on the screen for 1 second, and we're already ruining it. I'm going against my own thesis, which is if we break down on the wedge, we're gonna. All right, I did say I wanted to buy it lower. Did say that. 814. Oil's going for that high again. 102.70s on watch. Oh boy, we're in the red for today. We got to see some kind of a bounce off 800. All right, I longed it again. I added 2 more down there. The quickest clicker in the West. Gets me in trouble sometimes, though. Biscuits up here, guys. Lots more room to the downside than the upside, but it's hard to fight the fucking bulls, man. The bulls are definitely winning today. We're up like, what's our week look like here? On the NQ, we're only up 0.83% today, but on the week, golly. Oh, time to take some profit. Time to take some profit. Out of 3, 2 of those were actually reds. That was a break even. Because as we hit the bottom of the wedge, now we're just going to jump back into it, but we got EMAs up above, so that's why you got to jump out of that trade pretty quick. These two were like sort of started to be break even, but there we go. Now we're getting the push on the last runner. It's green on the trade. Green on the trade. Green on the trade. Now, I will TP at 850. That is not quite to that EMA. It's a little bit above it. We first gotta get, if we're gonna go to 850, we gotta get above 36. Oh boy. Oh boy. 36 providing the resistance so far. It's kicking us out of the wedge. It's booting us out the wedge. I don't know why I drew it, and I'm now a little defensive about it. Like, hey, get off of my wedge. Get back in there. Obviously, it's about to run out of time. Oh, the 36. That EMA sucks for the long. If you're short, you just got to stay below that, man. 37.05, 36.77. It kind of moves dynamically, obviously. But if we break above, it will be party time. So much guitars, so many guitars. Sorry guys, I gotta change the fucking music. Whew. Seriously. No mercy, just metal. No. Oh, sorry guys. It's Friday. I'm in my cozy sweater. We can do it. We go back to Stranger Things. It's the 80s. Fine. In Ohio or wherever the hell they are. I am wearing taupe. We're back into the wedge. Wedge is holding. Okay. Now we're testing the 36. What's gonna happen? Busting up above. 50s might take forever. Watching this 3640 level over here in the index blocker, potential bounce or break will give us directionality. We've gotten the rejection from our level on oil, which has helped this long workout so far. Not with a lot of follow through. Bit annoying. There's the rejection from the EMA. The 36 was too great. Too great a force to break through on this push. VIX 1698. What's it gonna be, VIX? What are we gonna do? We're gonna break 17 from May. We're gonna stop May at above 17. We think the 16 bullshit is all over with. Oh no, you don't like 17. Okay. VIX is a salty pirate, obviously. Okay, 32. Gotta get above the 36. We are totally riding the trend downside. We're fighting it though. Fighting in the wedge. Breaking below the wedge will certainly trigger my stop in profit. I mean, small profit, baby profit. Oh, is that a guitar? I don't know how to. Or is this a slap at a bass? Come on! Aiming for 50. Long from 17. Looking for 50. That's 33 points. We can't get above the 8-minute EMA though. We're just riding it downside. Now, will the wedge support win? Or will the 8 EMA win? Oh, we're at 34.50. 35. 36. Let's get it. 39. All right. Show me 50. 47.88 is technically what the level is. Show me. It's gonna reject from 40, isn't it? It's gonna reject from 40, isn't it? No. It's very close to my TP is why I'm here. 41.75. All right. Looking at VIX. Looking at you, VIX. Looking at you. Okay, we're at 42.75. We'd love a push to 46. Oh, there's 45, 46, 25. I'm out at 46.25. They filled me at 46.75. 46.75. I think we reject from 48. Ooh, look at the fucking exit on that trade. Ooh. Oh, no. Oil under 102. Mm-mm. We did not get above that EMA yet. That was just a quick 50 bucks. Up 127 on the day on the TPT eval. Day 2. Getting kind of sweaty under the cozy sweater. Cozy sweaters, as advertised, man. My chair's even hot. Dang. Feet are not sweaty though. I only mention this not to provide too much information, but just because it is an indicator that I use the sweaty feet index. Dry. Bone dry. Ish. Little, like minor. Look at the exit. Oh, my wedge is about to get busted. Look what they've done to my boy. My only boy. There. Dreaming about chasing bunnies or some shit. All right. Oil currently down 3% on the day at 101.88. SPX up 0.5%. Qs are up almost 1%. The Russell's up 0.14%. Care. Not a trader of the Russell. VIX getting a little bit of a bouncy bounce. Might test. Now, it could be interesting. I'm watching it over here on the 2-minute. Notice that this VIX is doing some shit. Notice this greenness. Where the support is. The greenness is definitely something to be concerned about. The wedge is holding. The wedge is holding. 101.77. The prior day low for oil. Quarterly open, guys. The morning open. All right, oil's holding its open. I don't believe this is bullish for the market. I believe we have a hanging man. This is fun on the 2-minute. Hanging man touching 2 EMAs. I consider that to be bearish. The wedge suggests bullish. The wedge suggests we pop up from here, perhaps break above that EMA and above the hanging man. Hanging person. Nope. All right, this is the VIX bouncy spot. Gotta be very cautious here if you're long. Oil's at a bouncy spot, VIX is at a bouncy spot. You don't ever want to be long when the two of them are bouncing in tandem. You get fucking wrecked. Sorry for all the F-bombs today if anybody's out there watching. Anybody watching? I never even check. Nope, negative. I guess that $7,500 for April did not really blow anybody's skirt back. Up. Hair back? Hat back? I'm gonna work on that one. Flat. Flat, flat. Flat pancake, as my daughter likes to say. We got a green day. We got a green start to the month of May. I am not inclined to do any bit of fucking around up here. On my funded account, not gonna give that green back. Not gonna do it. I do want to get a couple trades in on my new MyFundedFutures. Oh, interestingly, where uptrends and downtrends meet, we find life in the wedge. This is really the moment of truth, Wedgie. What's gonna happen, Wedgie? Oil got the bounce. VIX is, I say UVXY is primed to bounce off of this. Oh, this is it. This is it. Let's watch. Let's watch and see. I'm prepared to chase long if we get some greens here. Here's VIX at the level. 36.29, 36.25 is the level. 36.25, 36.28 is the prior day low. Any one of those could be the bounce and the dump on the market. But if we break through, it's party time. Music is perfect. Breaking down the wedge. Riding the downtrend from the high. Fighting the trend for all audiences. Quarterly open. It's May 1st. It's today. It's the daily. It's really just probably listed like that, but whatever. Not here to criticize Rips. He's a goat. Missed. It's on vacay. All right. VIX testing market, not buying it. Fingers on the trigger. I'm ready to long this shit. 820 was where I wanted to get interested. 770 is where I'm more interested. 800 could be curious. 726 though, so good, so hot. 36.29 on the UVXY. We are not below our pivot. Oil's getting a 102 rejection though. Watching oil. All right, I'm long 2 micros. It's a risky biscuit, but I'm doing it. I want to see more red on the VIX. I want to see more red on the oil. And I want to bounce this thing back into my wedge or back above the trend line. We could catch that other trend line. Wouldn't that be cool? Wouldn't that be keen? Ooh. 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 Okay, out of one. Sorry. Just feeling a little silly on a Friday, guys. It's fucking Friday. We're trading the markets. We have no idea what's going on. I got no idea what's going on out there. My squawk is silent. I can fix that. I'm just doing this for my own amusement. No one's even watching. But I love you nonetheless. If anyone is out there, know that I love you. And know that this is no good for... Don't do this as a job. Not good for you.
Stop fill.
Knocked out on the long. Ready to re-enter. Watching oil at 102. VIX did get a rejection. But look at that bounce off the level. Bouncing off the level. Round and round we go. 820s. We might just like fight our way down to these EMAs and really see what's up. Oh, this song makes me want to push a button. Let's get it. Seeing red on the VIX. Seeing red. 199 oil, 101.98, 96. All right, I'm long again. 2 more. Let's get it. Let's go, Knight Rider. Knight Rider, Kit, come, pull around. Kit, call the valet. Tell him to come get you and bring him to me. Oh, it was not a good entry. Still under 102 on the oil. VIX got the bounce. UVXY got the bounce. Oh, 102 on the oil. All right.
Order fill.
I added at the low. 102.05 oil. VIX back down. Good add so far. If we start to dump, I will cut. Showing you the dom and everything here, guys. You get all the juice here at Trading for All audiences. All the juice. Let's squeeze it. Turn up the music because it's jamming. There's the long. Hello. Now, based on the EMA stack above, I'm seeing actually this has got more potential for a short. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of this trade. And some profits. Yeah. We're stopping out.
Stop.
Okay. Green trade. Still greens. Green all over. Oil got a biggity bounce. VIX at the level. Oh, I guess there were two little reds there. 2 red, 2 green. Green trade though. Up 164 on the day. 36.26 UVXY. Time to decide: are we gonna fly or are we gonna crash? 810s now. 771s where I start to get really curious about what this market's gonna do. I was trying to find a squawk. Somebody tell me what the fuck the president is up to. Oh no, I think I have hiccups. Where are my friends? My friends, my TTP friends, where are you? I guess I'm gonna go old school. Macalchi. 0 DTA fuculating bangers, let's do it. I used to be up in here all the time. My guy Michael Che. Trump has concluded his remarks to the press. Oil's at 101.85. I'm long.
Order filled.
Now, I'm hearing a squawk via Spaces, which has a 2-minute delay. So Trump's remarks ended a couple of minutes ago. Oh my. VIX under pivot. Alert! Alert! VIX under pivot! VIX under pivot! VIX under pivot! Downtrend! VIX under pivot! Downtrend! VIX under pivot! 101.85 on the oil. I think it's a long still. You really need to see that UVXY start to play ball here. 812s, 770 is really where I want to be. More headlines. Not great. Alright, well, I got the one squawk and it was no help to me. So for those of you wondering who I'm trying to listen to here. Alright, I'm listening to some sketchy ass Twitter spaces here. There's the UVXY finally! Finally! Squeeze us. I'm out of one on the trend line and EMA combo tap. The combo tap! That's where I took my profit. Stop is at break even. We're scalping the future with for all audiences. I need to work on a theme song. This is definitely like the Stranger Things triumphant moment. It was a long. You did it, 11. You called it. I'm like number 95. I'm not number 11. I was, however, 8 years old in 1989. Just gonna put that out there. I was a little young. I was prime age for a little bit of. Oh, it was a good trade. It may not last. There's testing the trend line. Ooh. Yeah, I don't love it. Don't love it.
Stop field.
Nope. Stopped out. That's okay. Still a green trade. All right, just to review, I'm not loving the bounce that I see right after we stopped. We're up 190 on the day. 190 on mini micros. I still see VIX doing good stuff. I still see oil doing good stuff. Holding the quarterly open for oil is what's holding us back from a good biggity bounce. 820 now. Again, this is where I like to be long from. I definitely want to see oil under the 101.75. VIX is still doing the thing, though. Don't love the green on oil. They're doing the thing where they just rotate from the VIX to the oil, to the VIX to the oil, to the VIX to the oil, and it stalls the bulls. Gives the market makers must be like rebalancing their books or changing something. It gives them a little bit of time to shuffle. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Okay, UVXY, 36.18. All right, I'm long. I just jumped in the long. Oil did not do the thing I wanted it to do, but fuck oil. VIX is doing the thing I wanted it to do. Out of one. Out of two. Top wick, motherfucker. All right. We are cooking on the TPT eval. VIX did the thing. Market didn't like it though, for whatever reason. It didn't buy it. Or did it? Or did it? My 2 micro long. Finally getting to my TP. Yep, that'll do it. Testing trend line from below with an EMA gives us rejection. That's my reason for taking profit. I don't know that I needed a reason. Nice pump though. Nice pump. There's oil that just broke below its support. This could be a chase. This could be fun times. This could be a party. 159 on the oil. Gotta get below 101.50 and I'm very interested. Do I chase? I already took the trade from the low. Why would I chase it at the high where I know there's resistance? Definitely an SR moment here. We flip this. We can go test, at the very least, 860s. 61, 63 on the oil. See, I feel like this is, wow, there's a bit of a pumperoo. Pumpity pump, pump, pump. I don't know, guys. I think that's a shortable pump. I'm not going to chase it. I think it's shortable. We're at 850. That was my original TP for the long. No, no, sir. No, sir, I don't like it. I expect the oil to give us a bounce here. Maybe off 101.50. Not going to short 850. I'm not going to do it. Oil is staying below its open, though. It's not getting the bounce that I thought it was going to get. This long might be legit. There's the 101.50s on oil. Kind of a decision moment for oil, too. In between its two, or dead center in between the two resistances. 50 again. Again, not shorting it. Tempting, but not gonna do it. That candle was far too powerful. It proved me to be a paper-handed bitch. VIX continuation. Oil, no continuation. Not chasing. Still want to go short, but I'm not gonna do it. Now, if we come back down and we collect these EMAs, this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna show you where the long entry is. If you missed it, this is your entry, 39 to 35. Let's see if I'm right. Okay. There was 30. There's 40. I'm going to get long.
Order filled.
Off this trend line recovery. We kind of collected the EMA. I'll add more at 40 and I'll add at 35. And yes, I see VIX and oil doing stuff. I see it. A little bit of green. Don't love the top wick. Out of
order filled.
Alright, took out one at the high of that wick. Oof, there's no room even for a stop. Stop is just at break even. Not even gonna pay for the fucking mission. Didn't tick the didn't tick the stop. Didn't tick it. Didn't get me.
Stop.
They did that time. VIX continuing its dive below. This could be another entry here again. 40 to 38. I got in one at 46. I'm front running that. Look at the bounce already forming off of our trend. 47.50. Rough fill. Trade evade. VIX continuing down. Oh, it's definitely seeing some spice forming out here. Stop is a break even. Getting spicy. We're getting spicy. Can we break above? Let's get above 50s? No, we did not break above. Okay, we didn't get to break above. There's 843 on a VIX bounce. I don't know that I like it anymore, guys. There's 840. Yeah, I don't know that I like this at all anymore with the VIX bottoming here. 41.40. Okay. It bounced off the lower EMA. So, through the 20, hit the 9. Oh, this is on the 5. No, it's on the 2 minute. Damn it. On the 5 minute. We're holding it on the 5 as well. But again, 770s is going to be so good. And then 840s. Alright, I got long again off of the lower EMA.
Order filled.
Green on the trade. Out of...
Order
oops,
filled.
I meant to hold a runner, but oops. We'll take it. Take the W. Up 286. TPT. Okay, watching oil. There's the oil breakdown.
Filled.
We're going to go big here. Got to get that oil to break. Give me that oil break. Give me that oil break. Break it down. Break it down.
Filled.
Don't bounce. Break it down. Yes. Yes, break it down, oil. Break down my oil. Yes. Yes, my pretty. Break on down to the other side. Come on. Teasing. It's teasing everybody. It's teasing us. I don't like the lack of follow through. I'm going to be out. I'm going to be out. I'm going to be out. I'm out.
Order
I'm out of
filled.
most. Out of most.
Order filled.
Got one runner. Ugh. Is oil going to bounce instead off 101.50? Stops at break even. Okay, 101.50 oil. Will it bounce? Heads up if you're long. Get your stops in. Not financial advice. Oil can bounce off 101.50. Not financial advice. Trendline tap. Okay, there's 101.50 on oil. Hey-oh, we broke it down. Downside. Back to the trend, maybe. Moving my stop up. Just moving it up a little bit. Up to 40. All right, 39.75 is my stop. 27,800. 39.75. Oil did get that 101.50 out. $148 oil. Confirmation below.
Stop filled.
Trend line, rejection. Dang. Oil bounce off the 101.50 trend line rejection. Uh-oh. It was just a little stoppy stop. VIX lower. 101.55 oil. Will it bounce again? We're still at the 50 resistance on NQ. 57 on oil. See a big breakdown in oil. I'm going to jump in heavy on the long. Gonna get interesting. Nope. VIX bounce. Oil bounce, VIX bounce, not a long. 850 resistance still. Not a long, in my personal opinion. Not that I'm giving financial advice. I would never do such a thing. It's not a long. Not a short either. Look at that VIX bouncing, y'all. Careful out there. Spring, spring, spring. All right, guys. Quick break for me. BRB. Careful. Watch that trend line. Breaking above is fun. Breaking below is unfun. Oil 101.50 bounce. Damn it. Why are you coughing? I'm fine. Don't worry about it. Oh, there goes oil as we test the trend line. It's going down. Oil's got to lose the 101.50 before I'm really interested in further along. At some point, the VIX is going to bottom. Now there goes oil getting spicy. In the middle of this big old bull flag. Is it a bull flag or is it a bullshit flag? Let's find out. Big old flag. Testing resistance. Breaking above is good times. VIX low, 101.57. Oil, come on, man. A little bit of a test above the trend line. 101.63 oil. Losing the open is good for downside for oil, which is good for upside for the market. Oh, this is the DD band on NQ. Interesting. I see VIX getting a little bouncy bounce off 36. It's UVXY 36. 101.60 still oil. Trend line still resisting. Not alone. I don't see the VIX bouncing and oil holding being the push that we need above the trend line and all the sellers that are waiting for us between 850 and 880. Just so you see what I'm talking about. 880, sellers. We see no sign of buyers really until 50. Oh, wait, that's where we resisted from. Yeah, it's resistance. Good. Told ya. Oil recovering its open, not bullish the market. We gotta see an elevator down on the oil, not a bubble up. Now, a biggity bounce from here is proving that we've got great support below. It's a chaseable bounce, in my opinion. Indicators are not indicating to entry yet. Did collect those EMAs below. Alright, I'll get it on one micro. 170 on oil. Ugh, we're at resistance. Why would I buy here? It's a bad idea. Oh, VIX a little rejecty. 36. Okay, oil starting to head down below the open. Alright.
Order filled.
On two. 2 micros from 846. What's gonna happen? Are we gonna break above the trend line? Are we gonna get the dump on oil? Find out on this episode of Fighting the Trend for all audiences. Pop, pop, pop. Oil getting green. Come on. Little pop, little pop. My little soda pop. That's a Saja Boys reference. Shout out to my daughter who made an amazing joke about them this morning on the way to school. Ugh, no room for a stop. Stop is at 44. Gross. Let's see seeing the green on the oil, seeing the green on the VIX, seeing the rejection from my trend line. Who gives you these lines? Who gives you these lines that he doesn't even follow? $4 loss on that one. Only up 368 on it. Ready to get back long again. I'm ready to get hurt again, everybody. We break above that trend line, it's gonna be a fucking party. Alright, fine, I'm gonna do one micro again.
Order filled.
See us holding those EMAs below us? That's bullish to me, even though we're right at resistance. One stop in,
Order
one
filled.
profit taken. Stopped out, no follow through. No balls. No balls on the bulls right here. They're definitely Rocky Mountain oysters. No balls on the bulls. Gotta push it. You gotta get above 50, boys. All right, 49. Come on, 49.75. We gotta get above 50. Let's get that pop, 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 pop. 850's even. 50.25. No! Rejected off 50, spot 25. Someone just commented on a YouTube stream, not mine. The NQ is ripping. Are we sure? Are we sure we're not stalled at 850? Are we sure? I don't see any rips. I don't see anybody ripping. Come on, oils! You're below your open. Just get the fuck out of here. It's the weekend. God, I recovered the open. That is not bullish. That is not. Okay. I got one more. One more long MNQ off of the oil retest and rejection of its daily open. Also known as the quarterly open. I don't know why they do that. Who cares? VIX trying to bottom. I need it to break. Definitely need a better move on the VIX to get above this 850 with gusto. Push it up. Let's push it up. So much resistance at 850, you guys. No follow through. We break it though, it's gonna be fun times. 850.50. 35.98 on the UVXY. Look at that resistance, man. Tough out here. Oil's being a biatch. X is getting poppy. This is looking bad, boss. This is not looking good. Damn. I saw it in a dream. Go short. Woof, woof, go short. We do need to work on speaking the same language. I'm taking the risk because I know that the break above 50s is going to be juicy. I see the juice. I want to squeeze the juice. Give me the juice. There it is. There's the squeeze. I'm out of 2 in profits. Here's a zoom in. You can't see shit. I'm scalping around. The candles are too small to even see the difference. Stop is in a break even where the EMAs rest. We're through the 50s. Can we push to 60? Will we get stopped again? Look at this. What is this bullshit over here? We got above the wick and we need to find more sellers. Suck up there in the 80s, 60s, wherever we are. Fuck off. I see you. Oil so sticky. Gotta get under the 101.50, man. UVXY reclaiming of 36. Not bullish. We gotta get under 36, which was the open. Daily open. Ayo, can we get back on the trend? Everybody, let's trend. 60s, rejected. Taking profit. I mean, I know my TP was ideally going to be 67. Fuck it. I got filled at 58.25. Fuck it. That was a 10-point trade. $20 I didn't have. It's all made up money anyway. Up 409. Power 409. in this TPT eval. We're just scalping. We're just being silly, scalping on a Friday. Oh, there's the oil break. There's the oil break. Everybody heads up. Oil breaking. Oil breaking. We're at resistance though. VIX popped. God, I wanted to long it so hard. I didn't. You see me almost jump in with 40 contracts there? I almost did. I almost took it with 40 contracts. Not while UVXY reclaimed 36. I got really excited about the trendline reclaim over here, but really the juicier long would be, well, you know, the juicy long was where I got it. It was off these EMAs crossing the downside though. That was really the entry, the 43 entry. I entered at 49. I exited at 58. Yeah, missed this whole candle. Goes that way sometimes. Hey, we're pushing up to 70s. This was my original TP. I got premature on the TP. The PTTP. Matt's still shorting the shit. Uh-oh, VIX doing things. Doing things on the VIX. Yeah. This is an MHP tap on the ES. Oil back above 101.50. Is this going to be a rug pull? Potential rug pull incoming. Careful out there, everybody. I'm not longing it. These 860s all the way up to the 90s are sketchy to me, man. Super sketchy. Look at that. Rejectamundo! VIX up, UVXY up, oil up. That ain't good for the market, man. It ain't good. Getting funky. Finally, TPT. Heard some shit about NVIDIA. Let's see what's up. What's NVIDIA up to? All of this volatility entering the market. Oh no. Oh, right at 200, eh? Right at the 200. Yeah, that's a recovery of the pre-market low. It gets above 200. That's pretty good for the market. Pretty good for a long. Get above these 90s, maybe? Watching that 200 level. Whoa, big pop on NVIDIA. Making sure we don't sell it. If NVIDIA confirms, I'm going to chase it long. Yeah, I chased it long.
Order filled.
NVIDIA's starting to break out above 200. That's good stuff. Above 200, above the EMA. I'm adding. I got long heavy up here. Oh, VIX doing something. Uh-oh. The VIX might wreck me here. I'm out of 2. I'm out of 3. I'm out of 4. I'm out of 5. This is a little trade. It's just a little baby trade. Oh no, 200's not holding on the video. Yes. Love it when the music kicks in right when the market moves. Yes. Okay, NVIDIA, hold that 200, baby. It's not holding it. Not holding. Here's the push, NVIDIA. Thank you. I can finally get my stop in and break even. Stop is in. Oh, NVIDIA got a little bit stuffed right there. I'm taking my profit. Taking my profit. Taking my profit. 436 on the day. That was a $40 trade. That is still short. SMH rejection. That's interesting. 675 watching this level on the QQQ. Keep the exit there. We lose 200 NVIDIA and this little move is over. We were down there 10 points lower on the SPY, a little bit of a 5-minute range. Time you start believing in fairy tales, they say. You're in one. SR flip happened in the pre-market. You never would have known unless you were looking for it. That SMH rejection is bad news. I do see the oil doing this thing. Okay. We're gonna watch the video 200. So far, it's holding its 200 level. I gotta get back to my Daddy Mac. Bye, Mac Daddy. Look at that. Pushing into the 80s. 101.49 on oil. I got stopped out of everything. I don't know if I want to chase it again. We're at the tippity tip. Feel like this move might be over. 101.47 oil. Look at that 101.50 reclaim on oil. That's why I switched to the Mac Daddy chart. Yeah, I don't like it, guys. I definitely didn't see the pump coming. You can see that I rode it most of the way, little bits and pieces, drips and drabs. Still don't love the long. Taking a break. Be right back. BRP. Market's trying to pump, y'all. There it goes. 101.50. Oil holding. VIX holding. Daddy Mac chart says NVIDIA, show me NVIDIA versus 200. It's the whole story. All right. That's what I thought. Let's do this over here. VIX doing shit. There's your UVXY, for those of you playing along at home. NVIDIA is under 200. Ladies and gentlemen, NVIDIA is under 200. Oil is over 101.50. This could be a short. I told you 90 was resistance. We hit 90 and we are selling. This is kind of the neckline of a potential head and shoulders pattern. You know I love me some heads and shoulders, baby. Let's draw. 3, 2, 1, draw. 199.90 NVIDIA. Oh boy, it's not looking hot for the NVIDs. 101.69 on CL. That's oil futures. I'm not shorting it. It's Friday, man. I'm chill. Wonder what's gonna happen at 1:30. What do you think's gonna happen at 1:30? Do you think we're gonna get the dump right at 1:30 at the turn of the half hour, the bottom of the hour? Oil trying. Short's starting to play out a little bit, y'all. Look at this, 36.15. Now, do you remember what our magic number is on the UVXY? It's 36.25. 36.25. We get. Look at this collection of EMAs that's about to bounce on NVIDIA, while oil dumps. There was a little bit of a gap up on the VIX. Something's getting spicy out there. My VIX 5-minute chart is frozen at 16.69. NVIDIA getting a little bit of a bounce off this pre-market low level. It did SR flip it earlier. Maybe it's going to SR flip it again. NVIDIA is going to start to participate in the rally. That would definitely take us up. High. 880s. What if I'm not going to long 88. What am I thinking? No. What am I thinking? Let's just throw 5 contracts on at all-time highs and just see what happens. Really want to do well on my MyFundedFutures Pro account as well. Maybe I should call it a day over here. There's no rush on the Pro account. It takes fucking weeks to get a payout from it. I see you 101.50 on oil. I see you. I'm ready to jump in along. It's an irrational long, but it's an irrational market, baby. It's an irrational world. Let's be irrational. You want to get nuts? Let's get nuts. Just kidding. Not taking this shit. Look at this fucking 2 hanging mans up here. I bet you on the 2-minute there's hella resistance there from EMAs. Am I right? Oh no, not right. Where the fuck is it? The 1 minute? No, we're holding all the EMAs. Not bearish. Interesting. 101.57. Is this where oil gives it up? Again, a big oil dump makes me chase heavy. That's my kink, man. Oil dumps. We get oil dump, VIX dump. Ooh, watch out. That 906 is gonna get taken. Getting myself all worked up. We're fucking 40. Not even. We are 20. It's moving. 17, 24 points away from all-time highs. Why would I YOLO long into that? Why would somebody do such a thing? 101.74 oil. I don't know. It's got a smell of somebody that's not me. I don't know if it's my daughter or my girlfriend. That's a weird statement, but it was actually something smelled like my girlfriend for a second there, and I got happy. But this is definitely a cozy sweater. They're both lovers of cozy sweaters. Better jump in long. Something's happening. Getting spicy. NVIDIA's trying. Uh-oh, getting a phone call. Stand by, everybody. You guys just chill out. We're gonna just cut the meat. Wait, well, that's not all. No, never mind. I'm just kidding. I couldn't figure out how to mute the mic and I accidentally killed the call. Oopsie daisy. Man, this cozy sweater is so cozy. I'm getting sweaty. The foot sweat index is starting to climb here, along with NVIDIA, as we hit resistance. And I'm trying to hold back the urge to jump in the long. I hated rally. I mean, I did take it all the way up to 80. My last sell was at 270, 27,876. We're only 10 points above that. I didn't miss out on much. I didn't miss much. Serious support on the VIX. Serious resistance on NVIDIA. But the NVIDIA SR flip has my attention. That's why I am long biased. There goes oil. We get oil, VIX, and NVIDIA all working together, and that's our entry to bust up to new highs. It's all very conditional trading that I do here. None of it's really... I mean, we've got EMA support below. We've got VIX trending in the right direction. Oil trending in the right direction. These are all bullish. NVIDIA reclaiming of a 200 level would be so sweet. All right, I'm getting in one. I like seeing the support here. I'll give NVIDIA all the way down to the bottom of that candle, this 50 cents of leeway here. Long in the top of a weird rally. No, oil, so sticky. So sticky, so hot. Oh, we're green. This is our chance, everybody. We held the EMA test. Man, I tell you what, if I get the opportunity to long and to get at 865, which is 15, 20 points in the red, ooh, I would go long there. I would go even longer if we got down to like 50 again. That 50 SR, ooh, that would be a tasty long. It's just piddly chasing shit. I want a tasty long. I want some red meat. Watching NVIDIA there. I like the green on NVIDIA. I will add here, especially if I see oil start to cooperate. 101.50 is the line on oil. 200 is the resistance on NVIDIA. We got to break above that, NVIDs. Let's do it. No. Not cooperating. Fix. Oil. Not cooperating. NVIDIA. Feeling the pressure. What will happen? Down to 875. I added it. Got it filled at 77. Jeez. Please. I want to see this NVIDIA push through 200. I want to see it happen. I want to manifest it. And tell you what, you guys, this is probably going to be my last trade on this account. Several others that need some attention. Namely, I wanted to start my new pro plan. Oh, NVIDIA is letting us down, guys. NVIDIA is not bringing the juice. I thought I saw juice. It's not juicing. It's getting squeezed in the wrong direction. Still hopeful here. Oh man, I think my dogs are farting. It's definitely not me. It's definitely not this stinky trade that I'm in. There it is, there it is, there it is. 200 on NVIDIA. Not rejecting is what we need to see. We need to see it not immediately reject 200 like it was kissing a girl. Come on, NVIDIA. Jensen Wong, you're married. You like girls. Man, it really did not like that 200. It was like, ew, kissed it, rejected it. That would definitely hurt someone's feelings to be rejected like that off of a single kiss. Speaking from experience, maybe. It's actually not experience. A little bit of TMI. Anybody I ever kissed never had a complaint. Thinking about it, my ex-wife might disagree. I happen to think that style's pretty strong in that department. I don't speak French, but I can get by, if you know what I mean. 200 again. Kiss it. Okay, NVIDIA, you're doing the thing. I added again. Dude, thing. Don't reject the 200.5, which is this like some stupid like 20-day EMA? Fucking 200. Oh, that's important. Damn it. Rejecting the 200 EMA while it's at 200 feels like a problem. That feels auspicious. I'm still very, very interested in catching this at the 60s. It's only the 70s here. I will go potential YOLO launch. No, I'm not gonna do this shit. I will potentially average down should we hit 66 to 57. Okay, down to the 70 level. 69, I'm in. Added. Great ad. I got filled at 70, 75. Oh, back down again. Adding. Told you I would average down here.
Order filled.
Averaging. This is it. It's just gearing up for the big move. Nvidia's over 200. Oil is at 102. That's our problem. VIX is doing. I didn't check the VIX. Oh, classic blunder. I got a little suckered in by watching one ticker instead of the whole VIXy VIX. We're in the green though. We're in the green after the ads. We're gonna have some issues though with the VIX not helping out the move. We have a VIX situation unfolding. This is good. This is 200. Oh, Nvidia. Man, I really like my ads, but clearly my initial entries were problematic. Need to get a 102 reject quick on oil. Oh, VIX. Oh, guys. Oh, gosh. Oh, guys. Oh, gosh. I added again in my original entry. Yikes. Yeah, I told you I would keep adding down in the 60s. I told you I would do it. I called it. I'm doing it.
Order filled.
Testing the trend line and an EMA. If it has any validity to it today, it's gonna bounce. Now I guess I don't really know how much it's gonna bounce. Kind of the dilemma. Nvidia under 200, not helping. Get the 102 rejection. In the green. And okay, so far we got an EMA above us. That's gonna be an issue. No, Nvidia. Yeah, I don't like this trade so much anymore. Kinda working. Just about.
Order filled.
I'm taking it off. I'm taking it off. I'm taking it off. I'm taking it off.
Order filled.
Took a lot of it off. Took a lot of it off. Took a lot of it off. It's all in profit. Not all of it. Most of it. All my stops are in. Stops are above. Stops are in profits. Stops are in profits. Do we get the follow through? Nvidia, do we get it? Nvidia, do we get it? Nvidia, do we get it? Or is it gonna go back down? Back down in that the pre-market low. That's what it's gonna do. All right, fine. Stop me out. I'll enter in lower. See if I care. Stopped out in profit. Up 482 on the day. I think I made like $30 on that trade. Martindale, your way through the volatility. Not a good idea. Okay, come on, Nvidia. It's time to do your thing. I'm back in at 68, guys. I'm back in. I'm back in at 68. We're getting stopped out on my last runner. Let's get it. Yeah, baby. Let's go, Nvidia. Took off one at the equal high. I gotta stop it. Stops are in. The VIX and the oil. This is not trustworthy. Nvidia not trustworthy. I don't trust you, bitch. Not even a little bit. Even gonna take one more profit. Took one more off in profit. That's $13. Ladies and gentlemen, it's really more about the win rate than it is about dollar amount. Nvidia! All right, it did it. It did the thing. Do we ride this? VIX? Oil? I don't know why Nvidia did the thing. Fuck it, let's ride. Now I gotta fucking change the music. We're way too chill. We're longing into the highs while NVIDIA tries to break out, but so does oil. Top wick NVIDIA. I will continue to long you, baby. You bitch. Calling a company a bitch. Oh, NVIDIA. Oh, NVIDIA, don't do that to me. Stay above 200. Oh, you. Oh. That's a 200 test with some gusto on it. It's got some mustard on it. Holding 200. Above DD band. NVIDIA sucks. How sweet were the entries though, guys? How beautiful was that entry? I told you I would take it all the way down to 50, but look, we got it at 64, 65. My entries were 69, 68, 67. I'm long from 68.50 right now, guys, on a runner. On a runner. Here's NVIDIA. Come on now. Take back everything I said about you, baby. Talk sweet to me. Oh yeah, I was changing the music. I'm like, I'm a DJ, man. I'm here to put on a show. I'm here to make sure people are entertained. And then I remember, like, oh yeah, the music. That's probably part of it. But you probably paid a little bit more attention. Let's go shopping. We're gonna go to page 2. Stomp. Who are you, Stomp? Under 200. Oil. Pushing to 102 again. Not great. Oh, we got lots of lo-fi Japanese. Ooh, that's fun. Tokyo driving. No copyright lo-fi Japanese songs. Sure. I did say I wanted something a little more exciting, though. Are we going to get stopped out of this yet? We're above 200 on the video. The trade's still valid. Still valid. Still valid. Not feeling great about it at 101.91 oil and the VIX testing the highs. Pre-market highs, that is. If I were, I do wanna follow. Subbed. Samurai hip hop. Yes, that's what I'm here for. Stomp, do me, come on. Okay, all right, give it a second. Give it a second. Now, are we gonna continue to ride? 79 will kind of be the test. If we start to lose 79, I'll be tempted to take some profits. My stop's at 71.25. In the meantime, I guess we just ride this bitch up. This NVIDIA is telling the story here. Now, this doesn't look super constructive, especially after this dump-a-roo all the way down to 190. God damn. I'm just gonna put a fucking level here, guys, because that was brutal. 197, probably 197 evens. Yeah, 197 evens. Definitely need to just make a mental note of that. 197.14, we'll call it. So far, my review of the Samurai Japanese Lo-Fi Hip Hop playlist is promising. Not feeling the hip or the hop. Nice though. I'm just gonna jump ahead. Let's see what do we got. Oh, we got some beats. Ooh. Squawk about GameStop? That's cool. Oil's at 102, you guys. This long is probably toast. We held the EMA. GME? GME? GameStop almost at $26. Shout out to all the apes out there. I'm still one of you. I'm just a baby ape. I used to be a big ape. And then, bills. Session. Oh, I like the rejection on the oil. Now we can go mega long. Looking for the backpack here. Watch the oil break down. Now, the backpack strategy is a high risk, high reward strategy. Along from these highs into the wicks. Perhaps not the smartest idea, especially as NVIDIA is continuing to not do its thing. I'm not going to do it. Anyways, the backpack stratagem is when you're already in a long and you want to size up, but you don't want to be committed to a really long trade. Like, you just jump in more micros, your cost basis is all fugly and you can't quite understand what's happening. The concept of a backpack is you're already making the trip, just throw on a backpack, walk a couple of steps, throw off the backpack. The backpack moved forward, your P&L moved forward, you didn't get very tired because you didn't take a lot of risk. Now, backpack would have paid. That's probably the kind of move that I need to make in the evals, less in the fundeds, which is where I've made a good bit of money in the last week, but you saw that. You saw me. It's all on stream. $7,500, all in the last 8 days of trading. You don't realize it, but this is a comeback story for the ages. Totally redeeming myself after making $120,000 in January of 2025 and then getting rinsed for the rest of the fucking year. With some, I did take 60K out, payouts. Testing the EMA on our micro. You're a mean one, NVIDIA. You sucker me in every time. You make me go long when you're actually in a bear flag, NVIDIA. Under 200. Son of a bitch. NQ's trying to hold the EMA. Now, here's what's interesting. We come back down. This is another potential entry as the EMA snakes along the trend line. 73. Interestingly, 73 could be the next entry. So I'm tempted to just take some profits here before we get down there because it's going to trigger my stop, and I actually just want to stay long. What do we do here? What do we do? Holding the EMA. Yes, holding its all right. NVIDIA loses pre-market low. I will take my profit. Frankly, again, this could be like the long. NVIDIA dips back down here to the previous day open, close, whatever the fuck. I don't know why we track those. Clearly not that pivoty today. My levels, pre-market low, EMAs, very pivoty. Getting a push. The VIX is not really helping. I don't know, you guys. We're over 102 on oil. NVIDIA's under 200. Oh, it seems like we're starting to stall up here too. Notice that the volume is kind of lackluster after that first bounce. The volume has not really been present for the follow through. NVIDIA's close to stopping me. Come on now. 199.78. We're fucking 20 cents away. Oil rejected the 102s. Back to the 80s again, where the resistance is. Okay, NVIDIA's trying. It's trying, boss. I'm trying. We're long on 1 micro on an eval. We're at the all-time Tiffany time hop. All-time highs. Yep, top highs. I mean, technically, I guess we hit it over, right? And we broke the overnight high. Fuck the overnight high. That was 200 points ago. That was down here. 680. Yeah, we are fully 220 points. 200 points above at 8. Long idea is working. Our little wedgie trend line played out like a charm. But we have got so much resistance and so little upside. And NVIDIA is so not helping. So not helping. So I'm thinking about taking profit. It's late. I took it. I did it. I took profit. Got filled at 85.75. Now you can go to fucking 900. You have my permission. Oil's riding the EMA. NVIDIA's losing its EMAs. That's all. That's my thesis on taking profit. Speaking of taking profit, a quick review. 578 is the P&L, up 543 on the day. I told you that was going to be my last trade on TPT. Let us exit all positions and cancel all. I'm with you all for another, let's say, 45 minutes before I got to go do a thing. I got to go see a man about a horse at a school. I'm just going to... I'm just going to close my TopStep for the day. Not from here. That's for fucking sure. Let's get back to my funded futures. I love your firm, but I am cursed this year. I've only gotten like 4,000 in payouts, and that might be break even. Okay, Coreflex, not today. Pro, yes, pro. I don't know why the lo-fi samurai music is making me feel very Japanese. I'm trying not to be culturally insensitive. I really not. Nice exit though on the former long. Caught the tippity there. I did potentially argue that this could be another entry on the long in the 70s, but I don't like it anymore. I don't like it anymore. This is why. We break above that pre-market high on the VIX. Oh, wait, NVIDIA. All right, I get it. I did it. I longed it. I was like, I don't like it down there in the 70s. I'll take it in the 80s. If you hate it at 70s, just wait till it's 883. You'll love it there. I'm seeing NVIDIA hold, and I'm seeing oil finally giving it up after the 102 rejection. Maybe it can break below the prior day open. VIX heading in the right direction. Sorry, UVXY heading in the right direction. The VIX looks like trouble. It is at a pivot. No, so we can do both of these. Will they both fit? Will they both fit? It's kind of a lot of charts. You guys see all this? It's kind of hard on my eyes. Oh no, the UVXY. Oh, wait. I didn't even get closed. What's going on? It didn't close me. I tried to close there. Oil's dumping.
Order filled.
Oil's dumping. I'm super long. Let's get it. Let's go get it. I'm super long. Let's go get it. Yeah.
Order filled.
Oh yeah. Holy oil. That's what I've been waiting for. Don't bounce. I'm out. 101.50. You motherfucker. Ready to get long again if 101.50 does something cool. Just tease me. You're a teasy one, NVIDIA. You and your buddy Oil keep fucking with my emotions. Look at the VIX though. Yikes! 36.46. It's important. It's important. Alert! We broke pivot on UVXY. I'm flipping the script. We're going to NVIDIA over down here because NVIDIA 200 is easy to see. 200.1 rejection. NVIDIA oil with a bounce. $101.50 again on oil. I am tempted to relong here. NVIDIA. Gross. I don't see how the market can continue to do this dance up here at the highs without NVIDIA fucking participating. All right, that was a $44 profit on that huge pump. I rode it all the way up, boys. It was glorious. Uh-oh, watching again for oil here. 101.50 is the level. NVIDIA 200. I do like this little heads-up display we got going over here. The HUD is hot. 101.50 oil. VIX with a top wick. I'm gonna give it a shot. Give it a shot. We're just at an eval. We could probably pop up to the high. If we come back down to the 70s, I'll add some more. We're only at 889. 101.50's oil watching. I like the rejection on VIX. Nvidia's trying. Will you not put in a Head and Shoulders? It could totally dump from here, you guys. Please don't follow my trades. None of this is financial advice. I mean, maybe it should be, but it's not. Okay. Yes. I like that push. Come on, Nvidia. This is your chance. No. Yes. Come on, Nvidia. This is your time. This is your time. Show us what you got. Showing me anything. Not showing me.
Order filled.
2 in profit. Nvidia's not showing me what I want to see. Okay, 1:56 in the PM.
Order filled.
I'm out. Fuck you, Nvidia. Collecting an EMA, but it's also dumping below that 400 level. It's so strong. Oh wait, oil's below our level. Watching closely here. I'm ready to re-enter. Okay. Watching oil really close. I'm seeing oil continuing to dump. I like that candle a lot. I like it a lot. This is Nvidia's chance. It's Nvidia's chance off the EMA bounce. To be clear, I did sell my long at 90 spot 25 and relong at 91 because I'm a genius. Oh, but if oil bounces, this could be the beginning of the end of this account. No bounce yet. Come on, Nvidia. I believe in you. Not really, though. You bagged me so many times. Dude. VIX bouncing. Nvidia topping pattern forming here. Gross. Gross, gross, gross. Okay, 101.40 oil. Got a bounce. 39. Get it back above 101.50 and my thesis would be dead. Like the green that I'm seeing. Man, we get stuffed every time up there. I like what I see from the VIX and from the oil. Nvidia, I don't like one bit. You're breaking my heart like always. Not loving this trade anymore, guys. Nvidia is under the pre-market low that I thought was going to be its support. Damn it. Oil's bouncing. We're at an EMA test. Adding.
Order filled.
I'm not sure how many. This is a pro account. I'm not sure how many contracts I get here. We're not going to go too heavy though. These are just micros. Just some micros. It's no big deal, guys. It's just micros. 101.50 on oil. God damn it. We're just chasing the long up here at the top because we're geniuses like that. Nvidia sucks. Heartbreaker. Still holding the EMA. That's the 8 EMA on the 2 minute that I'm watching here. Very toppy in the pattern here.
Order filled.
So I'm going to go extra long. That's how I do it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here's our 2 p.m. candle. Which way are we going to go? 2 p.m. Guys coming back from lunch. You better get long. You better get long. Don't take profits. 101.30s on oil. $101.29 oil. 101.23 oil. Under 101 would be juicy. Under 100.82, very juicy. Nvidia's trying to get above its pre-market low, but it's getting stuffed. There's Nvidia. It's trying to engulf that red candle. Man, this long sucks. Okay, oil getting the breakdown. Ish. Nvidia fading though. I tend to think Nvidia is going to lead the way more than oil is, unfortunately. I like the VIX top wick though. VIX top wick, keeping my hope alive. Don't you give me hope. Don't you do that. So far 2 p.m. looks like it's going to be selling. Well, 130s now oil. It's just not a great long, unfortunately. Nvidia's trying. Briefly green. Now we're green. Give me one more candle. Here we go. One more candle. I'll start to exit. No, didn't give it to me. On 120s again on oil. VIX popped up.
Order filled.
EMA tap. Trendline tap.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nvidia's dumping.
Order filled.
Oil's still dumping though. My oil dump thesis didn't seem to have a lot of. Oh my! How many contracts do we get? Only
Order
30.
filled. Rejected.
Damn. Okay.
Order filled.
Still think we get some bounces here. With oil falling, that's good for the market. This is just some shenanigans. That's all that is. 3 backpacks. Backpacks are
Order
out.
filled.
Out.
Order filled.
Oil's still falling. Nvidia's got to find a bottom here, guys. Oh, it's getting spicy. It's getting very spicy. Come on, Nvidia. I believe in you. Come on, Trendline. I believe in you. So far, you're failing. All of you are letting me down. Oil's starting to bounce. I'm gonna pull the plug on this. See what Nvidia does.
Order rejected.
Can't add anymore down there. Back to my last add level. Might risk this all the way to 50. I don't know if I have the drawdown for that though. Oh man, I think I have $1,000 DLL. Come on, give me this bounce. Oil got the bounce instead. And Nvidia found a bottom. I'll size this down if we start to see more red. There goes oil. Come on. Red on oil should be green on the market, yes? VIX is the problem here. drawdown for all audiences in drawdown on an eval. The video holding 199. Need this candle to go green. Video not holding 199. Seeing the green in the video. I like that. Right as my AirPod dies, Squawk is gone. I'm on my own, everybody. Come on, NVIDIA, do the thing. Do the thing. Like that bottoming action. So many EMAs above us, resisting. Any more buyers on the video? Oil's still dumping. All right, I'm out. I'm out.
Order filled.
Woof. $700 left on my drawdown. I gotta go replace my AirPod. Woof. Tough one. That's a $700 loss. I see the VIX rejecting, however. Let's go back to the daddy back. Back daddy. ES has a support there.
Order filled.
I bought it. Might have been a silly stop out. I do that sometimes. The video finally bouncing. Can't scale that up. That's annoying. Prepared to add some backpacks here if I see bottoming on the SPY. Gotta get above 46 though.
Order
Two
filled.
backpacks. There's NVIDIA finally. Don't fail it now. Come on, NVIDIA, let's do this thing. Morningstar reversal on the 2-minute. CBC flipped, but then unflipped. All right, I'm out of my backpacks. Lame. Out of a little bit of my MNQ. Just taking some profits here, getting stops in profit. A couple $100 there, it's not bad.
Order filled.
Watching for more backpack opportunities. Fix, nice rejection. $36.52 on the UVXY. $36.50. Let's watch that. $36.50 rejection on the UVXY would be tasty. Oil's back above 101.50. Boo.
Stop field.
Like NVIDIA there. It's got so many EMAs to fight through though. Still long. Oh, and we're stopped out. Okay, only down 550 now. Taking it easy here with eval. Eval, micros on evals. NVIDIA sucks. Don't like what I'm seeing out of the VIX, just for reference. Do like what I'm hearing out of this music though. Down 500 on this account. Got 500 more of potential drawdown. 1,000 more? What is my fucking DLL here? 52. That's so confusing. An SMH for any support. Any excuse to go long. Like another VIX rejection. Another oil rejection. Oil got a pop. Video, a little spice under its EMA. If it pops above, I will jump in along. All right, I'm in.
Order filled.
Front ran it a little bit. That's why. Oh, there's two EMAs. There's a hidden EMA up here, guys. I have a dark purple one and it sucks. That's why it sucks. Multiple resistances above on NVIDIA. Gotta hold the 199.30. Ugh, doesn't look like it's holding. $213. I gotta leave in 50-ish minutes. God, NVIDIA sucks.
Order filled.
Adding UVXY top wiki, oil top wiki, but it's above yesterday's open. Want to see this support hold, which goes all the way to. So again, it's another sneaky EMA. 720, 270, excuse me. Shit, that's kind of far away. Might take some heat on this one. Like NVIDIA there. It's trying.
Filled.
Added one there. We are around the NQDD band, which is a potential long entry. Shout out Rocket Scooter, also known as pre-market high on SPY. Dang. VIX not putting in the top that I wanted to see. There's my level on the ES. This is on the ES 5-minute chart. 70. Will we hold it?
Order filled.
Damn, VIX back to 17, all in a hurry. Love to see a 17 rejection from VIX. 1701 presently. Top wick on the UVXY. Holding this long a little longer. We just lose the DD band. Might have lost it. Back to the open. 7241 on the SPX. If 7240 holds us up here. 46 was kind of the resistance that we just lost. I like the rejection on 17 on the VIX, like the red on the UVXY. Now will NVIDIA finally get its shit together? Bounce is holding, but so is the VIX. Careful now, careful now. We don't want to have a huge rug pull here and just fill up that wick that we just made. Uh-oh, just like that. 2:15 p.m. ES is losing my support level. Definitely need a bounce here. 17 on the VIX. Oh boy.
Order filled.
Running out of contracts to add down here.
Order
So I
filled.
think we get this bounce on 17 rejecting. 1704 on the VIX. Come on. There's a rejection on the VIX. Come on.
Order
Come
filled.
on. Reject it for real. Do it for real. Now give it to me. Now give me the pump. Little pump. Little pump. So far, VIX is confirming over 17, which is against my thesis. Come on, SPY. Come on, SPY. Put in that bounce. That's what I wanted. Back above 70 on the ES. That would be great. There's the push. Let's get green on this trade. Let's get green on this trade. Holding the bounce. NVIDIA needs to get its shit together. Oh, dumped it. Dumped it. It's trying really hard to dump here. Ready to pull the pin. VIX got the rejection. See if retail notices and starts buying NVIDIA. 199 holding NVIDIA. 199.11. It's good. A little bit of green. Ooh, this rejection right away. Put it in, NVIDIA. Come on, give me the CBC flip. Give me the CBC flip. Oh, it's a long 2 minutes between now and then, though. All right, I'm gonna get out of most of these. I'm gonna hold 9.
Order filled.
From the bottom. Getting my stops in. NVIDIA could still do the thing, but it doesn't look like it's happening. Out of 2 more up
Order
there.
filled.
Out of 1 more.
Order filled.
Seeing NVIDIA get stupid here. All right, stops are in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it was such a promising bounce off 199. Was not meant to be. All right, I'm going to take this opportunity to go get my AirPods sorted. If I can get my squawk back online. There's the push that I was waiting for from the SPY. A
Order
little
filled.
rejecty up there.
Order filled.
Big backpack here. Oh, but we're getting immediate rejection off the backpack ad. Tough times on the backpack.
Order
I'm
rejected.
all in on backpacks. Stops are in on the micros. This is the mini chart. Oh man, I missed the biggity bounce off the mini chart. $70 was what I wanted to see hold on the ES. Not holding. And I just top ticked it with a backpack on. Oh, getting the push. Come on, NVIDIA, give me green. No, you're fading it again. Why? Fading the green. Why would you do such a thing? Buyers there on the video, they just gotta fucking rally. Riding the EMA down now. VIX still rejecting 17 is good. Rejection of pre-market high for SPY is tough times. Push on the ES to 70. Come on, we gotta stick it over 70, guys. Not holding that 70 level EX. $70 again, testing. Oh, rejecting. Isn't it? Need this 5-minute candle on ES to stay green for 3 more minutes, guys. We gotta hang on there. Hang on. 70. Not holding it. Not holding. Not good. $70.25. Productive. Backpacks out of 2. Stops at break even. Oh, I love it. I love it. Stop is somewhere. All right, I'm out. Couldn't even see my line. Out a couple more micros. Woo! We're clawing it back. We're clawing it back. I see NVIDIA. I see NVIDIA. I want more upside. I see NVIDIA. I see the 17 rejection on the VIX. I want more. I want more. NVIDIA, get over this fucking pivot. Come on! You're in on NQ, on the MNQ. Come on, NVIDIA. Saw the CBC flip. Holding 70 on the ES. On 2 backpacks for a push. Oh, we're at the pre-market high on SPY. Let's push over it. This doesn't seem like it wants it. I'm out of 1 backpack. Out of 2 backpacks. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Still long my micros. In fact, I'll even just take 1 more off there as we're fucking around with those EMAs. Prepared to re-enter some more backpacks. Always looking for more opportunity, especially when we get above all of this garbage on SPY. Look at that garbage right there. So much resistance. We gotta fly above that, and then I'll jump in a backpack again. Video resisting. Let's pivot. Bye. Watching. Above the pre-market high. On 2 more backpacks. Please don't reject SPY. ES flip CBC long on the 5-minute. See if it holds. 20 seconds to go. I'm adding. 18 seconds. CBC. Will it hold? Can't add any more backpacks. Will the CBC hold? Will it hold? Holding. It's holding. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. CBC held. As long as it doesn't dump straight away, we're good. As long as it dumps straight away, we're good. Don't dump straight away. New 5-minute candle dumping straight away. God damn it. CBC is still not changed on the SPY. Zesty from the EMAs. Damn, man, damn. Didn't get the continuation. About to exit these backpacks. We don't hold 70 on this. is at 102. See a rejection. Testing 17 one more time. God, NVIDIA sucks so hard today. Holding 70 on ES, but barely. There goes NVIDIA downside. Watch out. Oh, I'm liking the pop. Liking the pop. Let's get out of these backpacks. Let's get out of these heavy-ass backpacks. Holding us back. Come on. Get me out of these backpacks. Get me out of here. Get me the fuck out of here. Got some stops in on these stupid backpacks. We're holding the EMA. It was a tough backpacking session, guys. Not meant to be. Holding the 70 level ES. NVIDIA really not helping down here, guys. Trying to flip a CBC short. Keeps flying up and getting stuffed. Not bullish. 1598 on the VIX Prime, holding 70 on the ES. Oof, there's a dump. There's a dump. Did it stop me out of one? Did not stop me out. $99 holding on NVIDIA. Didn't get stopped out on my backpacks. Surprisingly. Thought I had them on there. Didn't get it. Didn't get it. He's holding on the ES. That's my only hope here. If we start to lose 70, I will just dump out of this. VIX 1699 on the VIX Prime. Okay, we held the EMA. We held 70 ES. We just need VIX to stop doing whatever it's been doing. There's our push. There's our push. Let's get out of this backpack. Come on, give me green and get me out. Give me green and get me out. It was an ill-fated backpacking expedition. We need to just get green and get out. Get green and get out. Break even. All right, green.
Order
out of
filled.
2. Out of 2. Out of 2. Out of 2. Stop at the break even. Woof. Heavy ass backpacks, man. Heavy, 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 heavy. Stopped out. Stopped out. Seeing VIX do the thing though. Seeing VIX get the rejection that I wanted, but NVIDIA did not have the follow through. Boo, NVIDIA. Look at those exits on the backpack. All right, now for real, I'm going to get my fucking AirPod. You guys hang out. Fuck y'all. All right, one more micro. I guess got stopped out of 2 out of 3 there. Ooh, feet are sweaty. Vomit on his sweater already. I'll never make it. Done. The video is holding at CBC. Nobody's talking in my ear. Damn, micro's about to get stopped out. 720 getting challenged again on the ES.
Order filled.
Saw it hold. Saw that hold. Jumped in some backpacks again on the 20 hold. Oof, more dump though. It is holding on for dear life. Oh, we lasered down. I added on the laser down. Heavy backpack, heavy backpack. Oh man, we got volatility coming in, everybody. Heads up, heads up. This might be a big rug pull. We lost the 70 on ES. We got to reclaim it. Hurry, in a hurry. All right, liking this bounce so far. Liking it a lot. Liking it a lot. Heavy backpack on. Heavy backpack on. Let's get over the 70 again on the ES. I'm watching this up here. Watching that. Got to get above 70 and hold. Got to get above 70 and hold. VIX got to pop on that. Not holding 70 ES. 17 tap on the VIX, 102.29 on oil. Damn, terrible position here. Come on, SPY, help me out here. Give a brother a bounce. Give a brother a bounce. SMH is doing it. SMH is doing it. Is it NVIDIA? It's not. VIX 17 tap. Good laser down here. The VIX reclaim of 17 is very bearish, not bullish. SPY is not helping. Not helping at all. VIX must reject right now. Damn. Backpacks were the doom of me. Must have a bounce. Must reject VIX. Nope. NVIDIA sucks. Well, held 199. Held 199. Didn't even stop me out of my micro. Okay, come on, NVIDIA. Come on, NVIDIA. Bounce like you mean it. Prove everybody wrong that says so many mean things about you. Prove them all wrong. No, we're dumping. NVIDIA's losing 199. Oh, held it. Oh, held it. VIX rejected 17.
Stop filled.
Stopped out on my micro. Oh, brutal stop out. There's the VIX. The video 198.91. Starting to lose the DD band here.
Order filled.
Okay, we're all in here. Whoa. Whoa, that ad is trying. It's trying its hardest, but it got immediate rejection.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm all out of that. Damn, that's a heavy one right there. I love the VIX rejection. Let's do this. Let's do this again. That's the bounce I was waiting for, y'all.
Order filled.
All right, I'm risk off.
Order filled.
At least on that. The backpack still dragging. Backpack still dragging. Oh gosh, it's heavy. It's heavy backpack. It's so heavy. 17 rejected on the VIX so far. This got a few more points down on the ES potentially. I'll hold 65. That'd be cool. UVXY is really not helping here. NVIDIA sucks. All right.
Order filled.
Fuck you, NVIDIA. Come on, hold that prior day low. Hell of a breakdown on NVIDIA here. 1704 on the VIX. Careful, careful. Just doing this in an eval.
Order filled. Order filled.
It's like fanny packs, these are. All right, I'm out of the fanny packs. Oof, these backpacks are sucking the life out of me though. Watching 65 hold on the ES. 1702 on the VIX. All right, UVXY starting to reject. I like it. Oil rejected. I like it.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, out of the fanny
Order
pack there.
filled.
That was another $200. 65 holding. Big 17 test here. 65 got broken on the ES. NVIDIA held its prior day low. Needs to really start getting some buyers here though. Look at that SPY rejection. Damn. $64.75, 65. There's NVIDIA testing the prior day low again. All right,
Order
I'm in
filled.
again. Want to see NVIDIA bounce bigly here.
Order filled.
Okay, 2 fanny packs on. Out of
Order
2 of the
filled.
fanny packs, 1 more fanny pack on. I'm gonna ride this with some stops.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm out
Order
on the
filled.
rest. That would have stopped me out anyway. sure how much that really helped. Top wick 666. 666. Oof, that's tough level. Tough level for the UVXY. I like the rejection though. 365 holding ES. I'm long again. Oh, these fanny packs feel a little doomed though. Like SPY trying to put in a buy candle. Gotta do it for real though. Gotta do it for real. Oof. Did not get the bounce like I thought I would. Ooh, got very close to busting there. There it is. Busted. Ah, you fucker. Back to the funded, because I think this bounce is really going to happen. I'm convinced.
Order filled.
I know I just got busted on an eval, but I believe in this trade. I believe. Trading with profit here.
Order filled.
On NVIDIA holding the prior day low. ES holding. Q's holding. It's VWAP. Come on, let's get this bounce for real now, SPY. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Shout out Big Kev. Stop playing with me. Put it in, SPY. Come on.
Order filled.
I'm out at 2. Technically a $1 profit. I don't see it totally manifesting yet. We'll add if we get the bounce on SPY. NVIDIA broke the low. But broke and then reclaimed. Be a cool place to bounce from. Nope, not bouncing. Stopped out. Stopped out in profit. Not taking a fucking back there on a funded. That's for fucking sure. Okay. NVIDIA breakdown. Brutal. That was a $2 profit on that trade. I'm seeing the bottom wick come in. Grabbed 820. 850 was really where I wanted it. A reclaim of 850 would be swell. Gotta go soon. 198.50 kind of line in the sand on NVIDIA. I just heard is the level for NVIDIA. It held 198.50 real nice. Fixed rejection, oil rejection, but holding EMAs. I'm in. NVIDIA needs to reclaim the prior day low. That's all I'm asking. That's all I'm asking from down here, guys. Immediately down on this backpack on a funded. Trying to catch this low. Top is in and around the EMA. Oof, it's a pricey one. It's an expensive backpack this is. Still believe in the long though. Still believe in the long. VIX is rejecting 17. Oil is not pushing up. It is holding an EMA, but it's not pushing up. NVIDIA's got to get its shit together, man. All right,
Order filled.
added on the EMA tap. Oil got a little bounce. 7260 got a hold on the ES.
Order filled.
Added again. 9030s.
Order filled.
Oh man, I'm in a big old backpack from down there. Trying to catch the knife on the video. Prepared to cut some size down if it starts to fall harder. That's the bounce I wanted to see. That's the backpack bounce we wanted, everybody. That's the backpack bounce we wanted, everybody. Backpack bounce, backpack. Come on, backpack. Come on, backpack. Come on, backpack. Give it to me. Give it to me. Yes, backpack is green. Backpack is green. Come on, come on, come on, come on. NVIDIA, I see you. I see you down there putting in the bottom. I see you. Just do it like you fucking mean it. Let's go. Backpack. Out of 2. Out of 3. They were losses. Fuck me. Should have waited. All right.
Order filled.
I'm out of the backpack. Oh, I had one more. That's why. That's why.
Order
Out of
filled.
backpacks. 882 profit. My micro is still in the red. Woof. Hell of a backpack maneuver, ladies and gentlemen. Hell of a maneuver. Look at the rejections on the VIX and the oil. Look at the bounce on NVIDIA. I had no doubt in my mind. Ah. Well, I add to this micro down here.
Order
I
filled.
did. I added one more micro down there. I still believe in the long. Still believe. Because I believe. That's a Lost Boys reference for those of you playing along at home. Oof, I got sweaty on that one for sure. Alexa, what's the weather? I gotta get the fuck out of here, guys. I gotta go to school. 72. Okay, VIX continuing to reject. Oil holding, however. I will add one more at the EMA tap. VIX bounced off 1695. Caution.
Order filled.
Adding as we get close to the EMA. The EMA saved me once before. Lots of selling here, though. Lots of selling here. It's hard to get long from here. It's really scary. I'm really scared, you guys. This isn't a funded. This isn't a funded. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? So many EMAs at 800 for support. So many EMAs at 800 for support. What's going to happen? We're going to bounce. That's what's going to happen. Come on, NVIDIA, do it. I believe in you. I never doubted you for a second. Topwick, fuck you. Wow. We got the bounce, but it stuffed it. 62.25? Gross bounce, you guys. It's barely any follow through so far. NVIDIA's gotta get its shit together. There's the bounce. There's the bounceroo.
Order filled.
You know what? I'm out. Out 84, 884. I took it out. I took it off. Watching the video here. If we put in a Morningstar reversal, I will long again. That's the Morningstar look I wanted from NVIDIA. Not gonna rest too much on this. I don't know if you guys can even see this. We're green on the trade. Want to see it curl up and test the EMA, please. Oh, NVIDIA, don't reject off your EMA. NVIDIA's getting the bounce. It got the Morningstar reversal. The rest of the market needs to catch up to NVIDIA now. There's some bounce starting to form. Like it. I like it. There we go. Out of
Order
1.
filled.
Out
Order
of 2. My stop is at break even. And with that, 910 some odd dollars, I say adios to y'all. Probably gonna get stopped out of this off the prior day low rejection on the video. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna just leave it. I'm gonna leave it on. Let's see what happens. Let's roll the dice. Let's roll the dice. No, fuck it. Fuck it. I'm out. 922.58 on the day. The account is locked. Yes, lock me out. I gotta go to school. Adios, everybody. NVIDIA, I love you. I hate you too, but I love you. Please. Well, do whatever you want now. I'm out. I'm fucking out. I love the rest of you, though. Thank you for watching or not watching, as the case may be. Either way, I love you.